Hi guys, I'm Dr. Rajat, and with me I have Diana Fernandez from Kuwait. She came to me for a checkup, for a regular checkup, and let's see what she has to say. Yes, Diana, when you came to me for the first time, what was the issue?
Before, I would like to express that before I came to Dr. Rajat, I had gone to another clinic and I was absolutely not satisfied with the professionalism out there, and that's how I googled, and because I don't stay in India, so I don't know much about India, so that's when I googled and I found that Dr. Rajat mostly had a lot of reviews which I literally went through, and then I decided to come and visit his clinic, and I was not unhappy here because when he
I just want to interrupt you. Why were you unhappy when you visited a dentist initially?
Yeah, initially the dentist that I visited was for a very small thing called scaling, and she had a lot of difficulty in cleaning my teeth, and her approach towards me, the way she handled me was completely unprofessional. I was absolutely disheartened by the way she handled me.
So your perception, you make an image of, it's like how you handle, how you approach.
Yes.
And how you.
For a dentist, whenever we talk about dentists, everyone is really scared because dentists.
A lot of apprehensions, a lot of
fears and things like that. And I also had the same fears. And when I went to the other dentist, as I said, 2 days before I would meet Dr. Rajat, it really increased because it was very painful. It was not handled professionally, and the most important thing is a very professional behavior. If you give some confidence to people, obviously people feel more relaxed, and then they're more willing to accept. But to be honest, I had absolutely no pain. We did the scaling out here. Dr. Rajat's team had done the scaling, and they did not treat me like how I was treated elsewhere. They treated me very professionally, and I had no pain at all, to be honest. I mean, I was surprised because usually dentist means it gives you a lot of pain, but there was absolutely no pain.
But I don't know why they have that perception that dentists give you pain. I don't think so, right?
No,
it's a myth.
It's a myth. It's not that it's pain, but to be honest, it's a little bit of a discomfort. But then that discomfort, anything small happens to you, you would have a discomfort. And that discomfort is not something that you cannot bear.
It's basically the difference between pain and pressure.
Yes.
So that is something that we have to understand, that what exactly is the difference.
And half the pressure is built because we have a
preconceived notion that something is going to happen.
Yes.
If we are going with that particular frame of mind that आज मेरा दांत निकलेगा तो मुझे बहुत टेंशन है, मुझे बहुत पेन है, मुझे बहुत I'm just thinking, I'm watching a lot of videos.
Yes.
So I think that perception is, of course, it's of course happens. But then once you visit and then see yourself, I think हमने आपका third molar extract किया था.
Yes,
we had gone for a scan. हमने CBCT evaluate किया, पहले देखा how the tooth was. फिर हमने उसके बाद piezo surgery से दांत निकाला. तो जब हमने extraction किया, was you for any discomfort? Did you feel any pain?
No, I didn't even. There was something called zero pain, like something called zero tolerance. So it's something called absolutely zero pain, and I was really shocked because I was waiting for the pain to come in when Dr. Rajat was extracting my tooth. And I didn't even know when the tooth was extracted. I was not even sure whether he extracted my tooth because I never felt it, to be honest. But yes, it's extracted. I could see that.
When I showed you that particular tooth of yours and told you what not to do, what to do, I hope now you are good to go with the rest of your teeth and you're going to be maintaining them.
Yes, because I've understood how seriously we actually do not take dental or oral health seriously, but after the session here I realized that I need to put an extra effort and ensure that we have dental hygiene maintained.
Yes.
And we also have to go for regular dental
maintenance.
Visits, which is because we are not professionals, so we have Dr. Rajat and other dentists which are also professionals, and we must go and have a visit. Even if everything is fine, a routine checkup on a yearly basis would definitely do good.
So that's nice to have the feedback. I think it's very important to take the feedback. So now, what impression do you take once you're visiting a dentist? So what do you see in a dentist? What do you see in a dental clinic?
For me, what I see in a dental clinic,
the quality and the thing that impress you in a clinic.
What impresses me in a clinic is how you handle a patient. This is very professional.
So handle your patients well. Yes.
Yes. I mean,
the approach.
Half the pain is gone when a patient is handled well.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think that is the right way. I hope whosoever is watching this video, I think somewhere down the line, हम सब relate कर सकते हैं that you have to always be courteous to the patient, listen to them, make an opinion, show them pictures, show them before after pictures, and then do it well, take digital impressions and explain them and give them a pain-free treatment. Nice to have your feedback, and I hope you will be smiling like this always, and I hope that whatever perception that you have for a dentist is, it's all on way now. You will be happier to go to a dentist again.
Of course, I'll be happier, but whenever I'm back in India, I will definitely come.
Definitely.
Because this is my one place.
Yes, this is your home. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Because I was really treated with a lot of professionalism, and I was handled like, it really helped me, calm my nerves.
I always say that we treat people, not teeth.
Correct.
So that is the right way. So let us have a good smile for the camera. Cheers.